Cywain shop window is an exciting, new and innovative initiative from Cywain. It offers the opportunity for food and drink producers from across Wales to showcase their products on the high streets, and it gives easy access for customers to be able to buy food and drink products in the run-up to Christmas. The aim of the shop window is to showcase the vast array of fantastic food and drink we have here made in Wales, and to encourage customers to keep it local and keep it Welsh. We have 5 sites across Wales, here in Carmarthen and also in Cardiff, Aberystwyth, Caernarfon and Llandudno. Each of the windows showcases an abundance of food and drink made in Wales, and each of the companies have worked with us at Cywain, benefiting from the services that we offer, and this is an opportunity to promote them and boost their sales at this time of year. So what makes it different? Well, instead of actually going into the shop to buy the products, people can browse the window, point their phone at the QR code on the display, and that will take them straight through to the producer's website where they can find out more and buy the products. This initiative is part of Cywain's message to support local and support Welsh.